What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade again here for you. So today's video, I'm going to be doing another first look on a fairly brand new hardware wallet. This one was a little bit difficult to find because this company's been under the radar for a little bit and there were no major press releases or anything like that. But this is a first look for the CoolWallet Pro. Now, just to give you a little catch up, CoolWallet, the original CoolWallet S, came out, I would say, I think in 2015 or 2016. And this is sort of a Bluetooth / credit card shaped card type of hardware wallet where it communicates via Bluetooth. And they've come out with a new second generation version here, which we're going to touch on what the upgrades are, what some of the new features are, pricing, and then also I'll have a link down below in the description if this is something that interests you. I plan on obviously getting the hardware wallet and doing a full review unboxing video shortly, but want to just do a quick overview of what this is and what benefits that the CoolWallet Pro provides. So taking a quick look here, as I'm looking at here, it's honestly, it's very similar. It's a similar form factor. It looks very similar. As you can see here, it's the size of a credit card. It has a blue ink screen here, black and white, very small, for you to confirm your transactions and to authorize the transactions. And then it works with the iOS or the Android app as well. So again, as we discussed, encrypted Bluetooth connection for iOS or Android, so it's mobile, there's no cables, there's no internet connection, nothing like that, which is really nice. Obviously, you can manage the portfolio. It serves as an optional hot wallet as well as cooled wallet. Obviously, you want to use this as a hardware wallet where you need the physical card device to authenticate and sign any transactions. A new upgrade that's here for the actual card itself are the upgraded features that are not on the original device, such as it now allows you to buy crypto directly on it via the app. It now integrates with the Binance DEX or the Binance Smart Chain, so opens up a whole new realm of tokens that you can buy directly and swap with your current Ethereum or BNB or any other coins, direct peer-to-peer token trading, and then also allows for Wallet Connect, and then it also not only adds all DeFi protocols, so Binance Smart Chain, different DeFi protocols, Thorchain like that, it allows you to use cross-chain trading, which is really neat. And also it now adds support for ERC 1155 standards for NFTs, dApps, airdrops, and again, gives a scalability for the actual device to grow and add more coin support over time as well. As you can see here, it looks very similar, but it now supports more coins. So now it's adding on coins like Tron, TRX, Cosmos, Atom, and also Polkadot. In addition, it supports the original coins it previously did, which was only Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Ripple or XRP, Stellar, BNB, and USDT, and then all ERC20 tokens. So natively, they've added those on. And then ETH 2.0 is coming, Tezos and Cardano, it says here, are being planned on the roadmap. So another feature of the CoolWallet Pro that wasn't on the first original CoolWallet S is now they've added staking, which if you've watched any of my videos in the past, you know that hardware wallet staking is super important. It allows you to keep possession of your private keys while delegating and earning interest on your crypto holdings long term. So it's just reiterating that. It originally is launching here with Polkadot staking support, Tron, and Cosmos. Again, I plan on doing a full unboxing and review video once I get it, so I can see if there's any other limitations or user experience issues or whatever, but I like the form factor design of having a hardware wallet that's a credit card shape. Again, some people don't like Bluetooth. For me, I'm not as concerned, especially if I'm not within range of other possible internet connections or things like that, where if I'm on my own secure network, I don't really care. I'm not really as concerned of someone hacking that encrypted Bluetooth. But again, to each their own. That's just something that I'm not primarily concerned with. And as a general rule of thumb, I diversify my crypto among several hardware wallets. So no single point of failure in the event that that happens. Moving on, they did upgrade the security, so now instead of a CCEAL 5 Plus chip, they've now upgraded to the CCEAL 6 Plus chip. Just a little bit higher security rating, moving up the chipset, a little bit more secure, and this is almost as good as the CCEAL 5 or 7 Plus chip that's coming very shortly on the Engrave Zero, which, as you know, is a hardware wallet that I cannot wait to get my hands on. Should be coming any day now. Again, 0.8 millimeters thick, lightweight, only 6 grams. It's literally the shape and size of a credit card. It is water resistant and has been tested for tamper proof and durability. So as you can see here, there's the original CoolWallet S I just talked about, the CoolWallet Pro, and we'll get into the price in just a second. As far as the actual form factor, it's essentially the same. Like I said, the only difference internally is this is a EAL 6 plus certified secure element versus a 5. This adds also more crypto. It also adds trading features, which are still available here. But again, the huge differentiator here is obviously staking, which you previously couldn't do. It adds more coins that you can directly stake on. So not only native applications, but you can also do staking for Tron, Atom, and Polkadot, which is extremely nice. And then also the other one is DeFi, Dapp, and NFT integration, and it works directly with Compound if you want to do lending for your crypto, or OpenSea directly in-app, which is being released in Q3 later this year. So again, this is very interesting. The CoolWallet S, when I originally did my sort of unboxing review on that, it wasn't too impressive just because back then it only had 5 or 6 native coins that you could actually use on it. I like the form factor and I like the design, which is why I'm more excited to see this CoolWallet Pro, because again, staking and utilizing new DeFi features and things of that nature is something that's important to me, and I again plan on doing an unboxing and review on this shortly. But just wanted to bring this to your attention if you've never heard of this company, if you've never even heard of this wallet. This one sort of fell off the radar, out of the mainstream, just because it wasn't keeping up to par with the innovation that, say, for example, Trezor and Ledger were originally doing. But I am very interested to test out and use and define the kind of dissect the user experience here on the CoolWallet Pro, and obviously compare it to some of the other hardware wallets as well. Like I said, I'll leave all the links to this if you want to check it out, the pricing in the description. Again, check the link in case there's any discounts or promotions, because my link will always have the best possible price you can get. The standard price, just so you're clear on this, CoolWallet Pro full retail price is $149 US. CoolWallet S, the original one, is $99 US. So for $140, that's still coming in cheaper than the Trezor Model T. It's still coming in cheaper than the LOCKUP Titan. It's still coming in cheaper than some of the other mid-tier hardware wallets. So it's very competitive pricing, and it also adds some DeFi and Dapp integration that looks very promising. And again, being wireless and having these kinds of integrations as well as staking is something that's very attractive to me. So just wanted to kind of point out this new wallet that kind of fell under the radar, and I haven't seen anybody else do a review on it. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer it. And then stay tuned for a actual full-on review, unboxing, and testing and so on. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up here. Crypto Renegade out.